What is happening, guys? Welcome back to another video in my channel. So around a month and a half ago, I created a full case study for my private mentorship group. I found a dropshipping store that is making around $250,000 every single month in revenue, selling in a super saturated niche, which is the pet niche. So I broke down everything that they do and kind of the pros and cons, their strategy, the winning product, their ads, and everything basically that you kind of need to know about the business. So you kind of have here like a blueprint for a business that can generate you over $250,000 every single month if you're going to make it to work for you. Is the same way that it works for them, and even make it better, because to be honest, the site does not look that crazy and it can be easily competed with and do way better in the job than they did. So I hope you're going to enjoy this case study. If you do, make sure to smash the like button so I will know that alright, this type of videos you want to see more of these, and I will create more case studies for you. With that being said, let's dive straight into it. All right, people, so in today's video I want to share with you a store that I found yesterday that is basically selling really simple product, right? That everybody can think about selling this product, but it's not really having the wow factor or something super viral as all the other products. So it was kind of refreshing seeing a product like that doing really well. So overall, the store in the current numbers right now, which I'm going to show you how I came up with the numbers, is doing around 250,000 a month in revenue. So first of all, the product over here, this is the product. It's just like dog pad that helps you to train your dog when it's a puppy, and it's a very simple product, but there is a demand for that product, obviously. So how I came up with the numbers, so this is the store, this is our main competitor, and obviously what I did is I used Salesforce over here. Let's reload that and go to Salesforce, and according to Salesforce, it tells us that this store is making between 1.3 to 2.6 million a month, which the main issue that I found about Salesforce is that it's basically giving you an overall revenue that maybe they did this revenue, let's say a year ago, they did this numbers a monthly revenue, but over here it says monthly revenue, so it's not really exactly true. Maybe it's the total revenue of the store. Overall, the store like made money, but I want to know right now how much they are making. So I want to share with you a site called myip.ms. So if you're going to actually type in the name of the site, you will be able to see how many visitors this site is getting, and overall it's like a good way to do also research of different Shopify stores that are really successful if you want to go ahead and check out this site. So this store is making around 22,000 visitors per day. Now I did run different checks on this site to make sure that everything is accurate. Of course, it's not like live data that is currently right now. It's not like you can see every daily visitor, but it's overall it's the most accurate. Maybe it was a week ago, maybe it was a few days ago, and they're saying that they're doing that every single day, that they kind of refresh the data. So this one is the most reliable that you can basically be. So if we will quickly take a calculator, so they're doing 22,000 visitors per day. All right, now let's say that they're getting like the minimum industry standard, which is 1% conversion rate. So let's do that times 1, and overall they're selling this pad, where is that, for $27.99. It's the smallest size, and they also have like a bunch of different upsells which I'm going to share with you. So I do think that they have a higher AOV, average order value. Why? Because there's no way that they would able to scale to those numbers having only selling this product for 28 bucks, because it cost them like around 10 bucks to buy it. So we're going to go everything. I do have a Google Doc that I'm going to share with you as well. So what we're going to do is, let's say if they have 22,000 visitors a day and they're converting around 250 people, let's say 220, and their AOV, all right, I'm going to do it, let's say 35, right? Because the different sizes cost more money and probably people would want to buy more than one, and they have really good upsells, which I'm going to show you just in a sec. So let's say they're averaging around 35 bucks per customer. So that gives us 7,700 a day, and that times 30 days, as you can see, 231,000. Now this is kind of breakdown of their current numbers. Maybe they did those numbers before, I'm not sure. I don't have the like exact data, but this is the most reliable data that I have to the current date. So with that being said, let's dive in straight to the product. So as you can see, the product over here, what I do like mainly about this product is that this product is not something as like hair removal product or a dog toy. It's not something that is super kind of viral and everybody would try to sell from the beginning. It's a little bit a different product. Maybe it doesn't look that like wow or has this viral effect, product, but because it solves a problem and kind of the market is not saturated with those type of products, right? Because it's not something viral or something crazy, and not many people focus on selling that, and instead they're focusing on just on the main stuff to sell. And this is like really competitive niche, the pet niche. So overall the product looks good, it solves a problem, it has a decent price, and the main thing, especially from that supplier, is that this supplier ships from United States. So even if you're going to drop ship this product from China, you still, with the AliExpress standard shipping, as you can see, it's going to cost you almost the same price as you would sell it from United States. And that is actually a good thing, especially right now during Q4. That can really help you to scale further this time of the year and overall having much better customer experience. So that is about the AliExpress seller over here. So if we'll go to their site, okay, this is the product. Now I don't know why, but for some reason yesterday I went to the site and everything was okay, but right now it's just disappeared, which is the main image of the product and the add to cart and the price. So the smallest size, they offered it for $27.99 with free shipping. You probably, if you will go tomorrow for the site, everything is going to go back to normal. But overall, this is their description, exactly like how it looks. Over here they have like this just generic sentence, nothing special, and then they have like 3 main bullet points, which I think is like the most important stuff. 3 innovative layers, so it basically, you know, really absorb the liquid, the dog pee. And the main thing that they're focusing in their video ads is that it's also not leaking to the floor. So that is a good thing, because some people have like wood in their floor. I don't know how to say that, but I think it's called parquet. So having a product like that which going to protect their floor, that is actually a good thing. Washable and easy to clean, that is awesome. And multi-use. Now this product, when I flew with my dog here to Mexico, and that was like, I think like 25 hours of flight, and I had to use something like that, but I didn't have this specific mat, and I wish I had, because when I got here and I actually took her out from the crate, everything was a mess inside. So that is another thing that you can actually use. People fly around the world with their dogs, and that is not something unusual. It's like people do that all the time. So that can also be another great way to use this product. And the main thing that they're focusing over here, as you can see in this image, is that instead of using those disposable pads, you only need one, just this one. You just throw it to the wash machine and that's it. And then you have the money back guarantee over here, and basically that's it. They really kept it super short, in my opinion, a little bit too short. They could make it much more engaging with some of great gifts, a lot of stuff that they shared in their video ads, so they can maybe use it as a gifts over here on the product page. And the downside of their reviews that you can see, for example, this review, or this a second time from the seller, very satisfied with the quality of the goods and service, super fast shipping and delivery 7 days to Ukraine. So that is obviously just an AliExpress review, and it's not even, nobody really looked at that. So that can actually turn off customers, so make sure you do edit your reviews. And after that we have over here some like size chart, which this is in inches, which on their product page they sell it with centimeters, but doesn't really matter because you should have both of the sizes. So people from the States and people that use centimeters, I think in the UK they use centimeters, will be able to kind of know what is the size of the product. And then they have some FAQs over here, and then some more products, and basically that's it. So let's go over the upsell products that they have. So these are the top 4 products that they are using, and as you can see, all of them are like winning products, all of them. This one a winning product, really winning product, and I personally wanted to sell this product. The only reason why I didn't is because this product has a little bit low perceived value, so it's really going to be difficult to profit on this one. But I know people that scale this product really to the moon. We have the pet gate, obviously you probably know this product, and we have the nail grinder, that is also a huge winning product, and we have the anti-anxiety pet bed over here. So they upselling just the top winning products, so they have been driving traffic to that product and upsell them more winning products as well. All right, so let's go to their ads library. All right, so they launched today a new ad, this one. So they have like this video ad, image ad, video ad, and they have another product here, maybe they're trying to test it, and they have this one as well. So this is actually one of their winning video ads, so let me show you that. So you see, it's super simple. It's not something crazy at all, but they mainly focus on that, not have reusable stuff, that it's not leaking and stuff like that, which is really like, when you think about it, it's like really basic product, but I guess there is not too crazy supply of that product because, you know, it worked obviously. Now overall, they don't have too many ads, and they scaled this product around merch. I'm going to show you their top ad over here. The most successful ad was on Instagram, which as you can see is the exact same video ad that I showed you right now, and this ad got 1.6 million views. That is absolutely crazy, and it got almost 15,000 likes. So they scaled this product like massively around March, April, May. So I'm not sure. In the ads library, as you can see, they launched an ad today, they launched an ad in the 7th of October, which is the beginning of the month, and they add this one around the end of September. So I'm not sure if they maybe trying relaunching this product again, but overall we know that this product worked few months ago. So there is a market for this product. There is a market for those type of products. You can literally create a shop just around those kind of different pets and make it look like a real brand, because their store is like really basic, nothing crazy, and you can easily compete with a store like that. And even if you're not going to sell this product, I want you to learn from that product, and the more you're going to get information like that from stores, from products, different products that actually work, the better you will have an intuition for products that you're going to see, right? Everybody is focusing, oh, wow factor solves a huge problem, viral products, stuff like that. Everybody is going towards those products, but there are unsaturated products and simple products like that nobody else is trying to sell, and nobody actually scaled them, but this store did. So you can do the same stuff. Just go to certain niches that you're interested in and look for products that can solve a problem, but they're not too saturated and not everybody trying to sell that. Alright, so their strategy, they mainly focusing on the main benefit of the product, which is a reusable, and that this product is good for training your dog and overall for if you have puppies, right? If you have puppies, everybody needs this kind of product. Now the weak points that you can actually, if you want to sell this specific product, the first one will be you can create much better ad. Their ad is super simple. They really have like a good scroll stopper, but overall the ad is really simple and not that high quality. The next thing is the reviews. You really want to push your reviews and have really good reviews with good images and good text that is going to be engaged and showing that people are satisfied with this product. And overall, if you can see the reviews on AliExpress, people are happy with the product. That is like really awesome product to sell. And I want to show you their Facebook ad, which also you can see in the comments that people are actually like happy with the product, and that is something really important for your Facebook feedback score. They are well worth it. I love them. The pads are brilliant. My puppy does well with them. So overall, people are happy with the product, and that is something very important. Another weak point that they have is very short description, right? Already talked about it. You can create much better description if you're going to follow my video of how to create a description. And seems that they have some technical issues. So yesterday I went to the site. They had a little bit issue with the kind of the different variations, and you couldn't like pick a different size for some reason. And today you are not able to purchase it. You don't see the main image and the add to cart button, but the description is still here. So I'm not sure what is going on over there, but you can take advantage of that. They are not ready, they have issues, and you can start selling this product and offer much better customer experience, because so far it's not that good. Now the positive points, as I mentioned before, it's not a super viral product that everybody will try to sell. It's something a little bit more unique, a little bit smaller problem, but still like huge problem, and not too many people focusing on products like that. The second thing is the eye-catching scroll stopper. I really liked it, and it seems that it's working amazing. So I would suggest or using the same one that they used, or just asking your editor to add something maybe similar to that and create like multiple scroll stoppers that are going to be really similar to the one that they use. Another thing, it's a niche store. So when it's a niche store, it's going to be much easier to upsell more winning dog products. So this is exactly what they are doing, and probably this is how they are able to scale the store that massively, because just selling that product with $18 profit, it's not going to be enough. And last but definitely not least is shipping from United States. Guys, you have a product that ships from the same price from United States. Your customers are going to be very happy. You also have that from Australia, which is another one like huge country that really performing good in the past year or so. So you have the two main countries, United States and Australia. You probably can use the US warehouse to ship to Canada. So you have like a ready product to go. You just, you can start selling this product right away. you already have the supplier and everything. So that is like really one of the main positive points. All right guys, so this is the case study. I hope you enjoyed it and you took value out of it. That's the most important part for me. I want you to learn from it and kind of take it as a blueprint for your own next business or next niche that you want to go ahead and create a store around, especially if you are still a beginner and you still like kind of trying to find your way in the e-commerce space, especially Shopify. You want to stick with and learn from things that are already working and kind of understand why they are working and try to take it to your own place, but just make it better. That, in my opinion, the best way to succeed faster than the all other ways. This is how I saw real success with e-commerce and also my students. So this is why I do those type of videos. So if you enjoyed, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and make sure you check out these 2 videos just over here. Thank you so much for watching guys, and I'm going to see you on the next one. Peace.